It's very rare that students get to immerse in such an intensive learning experience.
Being able to see some real-world examples of AI and machine learning, so not just how they've been successful and delivered value, but also cases where they might actually fail or not be a good use. So being able to kind of see how we might be able to adopt some of that, but also kind of getting ahead of mistakes and making sure we can avoid.
And not only do we learn from our lecturers, but I guess we're really learning from each other and understanding how it's done in different companies and different countries.
We are very aware of the digital challenges that companies face in these industries. So we aim to prepare our students for the work life, which is indeed very digital.